Hello there. My name is Brian Kelly, and I want to thank you very much for deciding to take a look at this video. I am the owner of a program called the Magic Money Number. It's a great program where you can earn between $100 and $325. A very simple postcard program where all you're doing basically is mailing out postcards. So check it out. This is how it works. I'll keep it really, really simple. Before we get started, though, I want you to know this video does not have all the bells and whistles. I don't really care about that. What I do care about is making money. I've been very successful in these type of programs for several years, and the bottom line is it doesn't take all the hoopla and all of the bells and whistles. I break things down very simply. I make things very plain for people to understand, and that's just the bottom line. This is how we do it. So this is about making money, not about fanciness. Okay. So check it out. This is how it works. So what we're going to do is you're going to take this postcard right here. This is how it looks. You're going to get a postcard just like this. I blacked out the pin number. This is how it looks in the front. This is how it looks in the back side. Okay. You have your return address up here as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a postcard just like this or an advertisement. You can have some advertisements that I'm going to send you as well. And you simply mail this postcard out. Okay. Person's going to receive the postcard. They're going to follow the instructions, call that number right there, 425-0594. When they call that number, it's going to be me talking on the other end. It's going to be me kind of explaining what the situation is, how the program works. It's going to say, hey, if you don't have access to a computer, you can always leave a voicemail. I'll call you back. Or it's going to direct you to a website, which is a YouTube video, which actually is this video you're looking at right now. It's called 325moneyplan.com. It's going to take you to this video that you're watching right now. So once a person goes and looks at this video, it's going to explain everything to know about this program very simply. Now, after they watch the video, if they're excited, if they want to join, if they have questions, it tells them to call me directly on my cell phone number. Okay. I'll give you my cell phone number at the very end. Okay. Now, once they do that, they call me, I answer the phone. Okay. And the first thing I ask them is, what is their PIN number? Because the PIN number is the person who sent them the postcard or the advertisement. It identifies that person to make sure that they get the credit for the sale. Very important. Once they tell me what the PIN number is, I find out who that person who it belongs to, and then I answer the question if they want to sign up. I will then give that person who called me the person's information as far as how they want to receive their funds. Some people want to receive their funds, cash and money orders through the mail. Some people want to receive their funds, electronically, Cash App, Zelle, however you want to receive your funds, I can make that happen. Okay. So basically, what that person would do is send the person $325, okay, or $100, depending upon what level they're at. All right. And then they would send me $25 for the 325 for the 350 plan, or $50 for the 150 plan. I'll explain it a little bit later. Okay. All right. So basically, once they do that, and I call the person, the recipient, and I verify that they have actually received the funds. At that point, I will go ahead and put that person into the program, and they give them a PIN number or have them select their own PIN number, and that's basically it, guys. It's a really simple program. Now, in order for this thing to be totally legal, we have to have a product or products. Okay, so let's go to excuse me, right over here. The products. I am by trade a full-time day trader. So what I did was I created two different courses. Okay, the first course is called Dow Jones Industrial Average, is a day trading course. The second is an S&P 500 day trading course. Really simple. It's a way that you can really make some good money. All you gotta do is study the course and put it into action. You definitely can make money without a doubt. Really good courses, not junk, not some junk email ebook. This is something that actually works. Okay, so if you are at level one, which is a one-time 150, you'll get the Dow Jones Industrial Average course only. But if you're in level two, you get both the Dow Jones as well as the S&P 500 course. Okay. You'll also receive a welcome email, okay, which includes sample ads and the URL for postcards. The postcard right here, you get that postcard, okay. Now, let me explain. This is very important, so listen closely. Now, this in order to get in this program, it's a one time. There's a one time entry fee. Level one, okay, it's going to be a one time $150, and you'll get a maximum payout of $100. Level two, you can get in at a one time fee of $350. For that, when I make a sale for you, you'll get a maximum of $325. Okay. If you upgrade from level one to level two, then you must pay your sponsor $200. If level one makes a level two sale for $350, then level one will only be allowed to keep $100. The owner will receive $50 and the level one sponsor will receive $200. If you are at level one, you should try your very best to upgrade as quickly as possible so you don't lose commissions. Now, guys, that's very important. Now, there are some people who can't simply afford the 350, which is understandable. Okay, so what I did was I implemented a program where you can get it at 150 one time. Okay, so that hey, everybody can join. Everyone has a spot in this thing. But the only thing is, you want to upgrade as quickly as possible so you don't lose commissions. Okay, that's extremely important. So that's basically how it's going to work for you. Okay, so now I want to go on to the next thing here. I want to keep this video as short as possible. I don't want to bore you, and I just want to talk about the Magic Money marketing system. Okay, how it works. Okay, very simple, guys. When I started this program, I wanted something really super simple so that anyone could understand it. And this is what I've come up with. Okay, so just to make it plain here, number one is a 24-hour recorded message. A person sees that number, they say, it's a recorded message. I'm going to call it because, hey, it's non-threatening. No, I'm not talking about it. So what do? They pick up the phone, they call that number, right? And they just listen. I mean, anybody can do that, right? And then what's going to happen? It's going to tell them a little bit about it, and then it's going to direct them to number two, which is the explainer video, which happens to be this video you're looking at right now. That's at www.325moneyplan.com. They're going to watch this video, all right? And at the very end, it's going to tell them to call me directly on my cell phone. Perfect way to do it, okay? Now, number three, there's no selling involved whatsoever on your part, okay? No selling. All you do is mail out postcards and place ads, guys. Don't deviate from the system. I do all the talking, all the explaining, all the selling, everything for you. Your only responsibility is to simply mail out postcards or place ads. That's it. I don't want you talking to anybody. Please don't do that. Let me do that for you. Okay, seriously. All right. Again, number four, no talking to people. You don't have to talk to people and try to twist people's arms, try to explain this. That's not a part of the plan. The part of the plan is to simply get the word out there. Mail out postcards, place ads, however you want to do it. Make sure you have your PIN number on there because that identifies you to make sure you get the credit for your sale. I mean, simple as that. Very simple, guys. I'm not trying to complicate anything, all right? I'm excited about this, just please bear with me. Number five, your money comes directly to you. I'm no middleman here, okay? The money comes directly to you. It's a member-to-member program, okay? Whenever someone decides to sign up under you, then I give them your information, your contact information, whether it be your Cash App, your PayPal, your Zelle, or you want to receive money through the mail, your address, and that person sends money directly to you. I don't ever touch your money. That's very important. So it goes directly to you, okay? And number six, you receive money any way you want to. You tell me, hey Brian, I want to receive money through the mail, cash. I want to receive Cash App. I want to receive PayPal, Zelle. I take all that information. I put that information in the database so that when people call with your PIN number and want to sign up, I don't have to call you. I know exactly how you want to receive your money. So that's a shortcut right there, okay? And number seven, which I think is the most important thing, is I am the owner. I'm Brian Kelly. I'm the owner. I'm very transparent. I'm a regular, normal guy, okay? I really am. I have a wife. I have two children. I have nothing to hide. And, I will talk to your prospects for you, okay? I don't want you doing that because if you do that, you'll mess up the whole system. I will talk to your prospects for you. I will follow up with your prospects. I will close the sale for you. Let's say, for instance, hey, the person can't do anything. They can't get into the program today, but they say, well, call me back in a week. Well, I make notes of that, okay? I will call them back. I will follow up with them because I have an ulterior motive because guess what? if you don't make money, then I don't make money. Okay, so I will call people back. I will stay on them until they actually sign up with the program if they're serious. Okay, that's very, very important. All right, so again, I'm transparent. I mean, I give you my personal cell phone number. How many times have you been in programs where the owner doesn't want you to contact them? You know, they get your money and you never hear from them again. I'm not that way. I give you my personal cell phone number is 919-999-8154. That's my personal cell phone number, okay? Not my business. This is my personal cell phone number. People call me and we discuss things and I close the sale for you. I don't want you doing that. Let me do that. I am very good talking on the phone. I'm very good at selling. This is what I do. This is my company. This is my program. I'm the best at it. So just leave the talking, leave the explaining to me because I will do that for you. Okay. All right. So lastly, okay, if you have questions or you want to join Magic Money Number, then please text, call, or email me at, again, Brian Kelly. I'm the owner. That's my phone number right there. Okay, if you have questions, that's the email, magicmoneynumber@yahoo.com. Hours of operation, 9 a.m. Eastern to 9 p.m. Eastern. Don't call me at midnight because I do have a family, so please respect that. I respect you, you respect me. Okay, and lastly, and I hate to go here with you with this, but listen, okay, I don't mind talking to people, but listen, you got to be serious, okay? And if you don't have at least $150 to start a business, please don't call me. I'm not being mean or anything. I'm just being serious. I'm looking for very serious people who are looking to make money right now. Okay, not tomorrow, but right now. Okay, if you're not serious, then don't call me. Call me when you have the money. Call me when you're serious. Okay, but again, this is why I have two levels. I have a 350 level. I have a 150 level. If you can't afford the 350 level, then hey, no problem. Get in at the 150 level. That's great because you can always upgrade. You can always upgrade, whether it be tomorrow or next year or next month or whatever. That's very important, okay? But again, I'm very busy. I don't have time to sit here and yap and talk. I'm about making money. I'm about helping my members, okay? I want people who join this program to actually make money. And that's my specialty. This is what I do. This is what I've been doing for the last 5 years in different programs, helping people. And it's all because of this postcard right here. Okay, this bad boy right here. I'm going to send you a welcome email once you decide to join, okay? It's going to share all the valuable information with you. A mailing list. I have a stamp program. I have once you sign up, you're going to have everything to kind of hit the ground running, okay? There's going to be no excuses. You can do this, okay? We have, again, 2 levels to get in at. We have one time $350. For that, you're paid $325 for every sale I make for you. Or if you can't afford that, you can always get in at the 150 level, all right? And you can go ahead and sign up at that level and you'll make $100. So it's better to make, $100 than nothing at all because you can also upgrade. And mind you, once you decide to upgrade from level 1 to level 2, you'll as the person who's a sponsor is going to receive that kickback. So you're going to, all around, this is a very good program. The main thing, guys, is here, listen, I'm a real person. I'm here to help you. I want you to really do well with this, and I want you to make money. I don't make false promises. I will do everything I can to help you, but you gotta want to help. Want to have to help yourself. This is not a freebie, nothing like that at all. It does require, again, a minimum of 150. And again, if you're not serious and you don't have at least 150 to get started, don't call me because I don't have time to waste talking to people who are not serious. All right. So that's basically how it works, guys. If you have questions, feel free to give me a call, and I'll answer your questions the best I can. I'll explain this to you over again if you want me to. That's never a problem. I'm here to help you out because, like I said, I'm not doing this for free. I have an ulterior motive because, hey, if you don't make money, then I don't make money. So I want you to make as much money as you can so that I can as well. Okay. So anyway, again, my name is Brian Kelly. I'm the owner of the program. This is my number right here, my personal cell phone number. Give me a call, and we can go ahead and get you started right away. Once you make a purchase and everything, you'll get all the products that I mentioned before. and we'll get you going right away. There's no waiting around, no waiting in the mail for 2 weeks to get your stuff. No, I mean, I do business the right way. It's fast. I get you in to start making money right away. And that's what it's all about, guys. Okay. So again, I'm looking forward to working with you. Please give me a call when you're ready to get started so we can get you going and start making some money. Talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye for now.